This week I'm bringing a summer meadow into your home. I hope you don't mind. Let's walk through it. Beautiful aster, some fluffy yellow solidago, spiky pink phlox, majestic regal agapanthus, and the pale pink Belle rose. Let's make this beautiful meadow. Start with your agapanthus around the edge of your vase. Mix up your phlox and roses and fill the gaps. Yes. Add your taller aster to the centre and finish with the lovely solidago wherever you fancy. Beautiful, soft, light, fluffy and amazing. I hope you enjoy it. For that last video, I ordered white aster, which was a mistake. You're actually getting blue aster, which is much nicer for this arrangement. So enjoy!